bis, babae na ako, putok na yung make-up ko, nakabahaba na yung buhok ko. Pag nagubad ako, naaalala ko, lalaki pa rin ako. Ang laki! Ano, sa singing nga, sinilipan ako ni Cesar Montano, hinarot ako sa dressing room ko, pinuntahan na. Nagbibihis ako, nakita niya talaga yung ari ko, dinubihis siya. Sabi niya, mais ka na, dili ka, mabakla mong tao, laki ng ari mo. Sabi ko, talaga malaki yan, buboy. Pag mamukha, kabayo, ang tindi, ang yamado. Sabi ko, Cesar, ari mo mali, kasi nga, buboy, for sure. Kaloka. Pero mabait si Cesar Montano. Ano, dami na lang ito. Sige na. This is a very beautiful song. Oh, magbubong. Ay! Hello? Hello? Dami opinion. Pero parang, kung naalala ko na yung nakaway ko sa telepono, madaling araw, tinawagan ko. Nagaling telepono, madaling araw. Sinagot ko pa emergency. Hello? Hello? Uy, gising ka pa? Hindi, tulog na. Kaya nakasagot kita. Sinulog ako. Tama? Okay. This is a very beautiful song. I know that you will like this song because this is a very beautiful song. Yes, this is a very beautiful love song. This is a very beautiful love song because it is a love song that happens to be very beautiful. And it makes it a very beautiful love song. Because it is a very beautiful song that talks about love. So it is a very beautiful love song. Yes, this is a very beautiful love song, ladies and gentlemen. That's why this is my favorite, because it is a very beautiful love song. That's why I would like to sing for you this very beautiful love song. For you to be able to hear such a very beautiful love song, because it is a very beautiful love song. And after I sing this song, you will tell me, yes, that's a very beautiful love song. Why? Because this is a very beautiful love song. And I'm telling you, this is a very beautiful love song. Because it's not ugly, because it's beautiful, and it's a love song. And that makes it a very beautiful love song. How about you, ate? Are you a love song? No, that's why you're not beautiful. Joke lang, I love you, ate. Pero lang, really. Okay. Okay. This is a very beautiful love song. Ano ulit? Parang mas gusto ko yung mic ko kanina. Wala na pang material. Parang mas gusto ko yung tunog doon. Parang lalo ako ng bongo kasi. But anyways, anyhow, this is a very beautiful love song. I-play mo na ka! Play mo na! This song is called A Very Special Love. You're one of the best you gave.